Okay, sorry. So we got caught up on the last video. I'll keep going here. So what we have is when we want to highlight, when you click inside this box, it'll turn blue or black around the outside like a frame, okay? And then you can see all these different tools pop up once you do that. If I click off of this, the tools go away. If I click onto it, the tools all pop up, and there's our highlighter. If by chance you end up deleting something or moving something around because you did it by accident, you can just go over here and use the undo button, okay? That will get it back for you. So before you panic, just remember, if you do something that makes something go away or changes something, just go to the undo button and it'll put it right back for you. All right, let's get using our highlighter. So what we said was for dialogue, we wanted to use our green highlight, okay, right here. And then we wanted to use, well, we can even use red because actually I didn't realize we'd have all these colors. I was just thinking of highlighter colors. So we could use green, red, blue, and orange like we did for dialogue, action, setting, thinking, and feeling, okay? So you can have your notebook open for the notes that we used yesterday. You have that right there. I also put a picture on the assignment that has the notes from yesterday too, so you can look at it there if you don't have your notebook with you. But you can see here that it says, the first sentence says, on a summer evening, I looked up from dinner through my open window to the backyard. Well, if I highlight that first sentence, that to me seems like they're describing it's when it's a summer evening, where they are, looked up from at the dinner table, right? Through the open window to the backyard. So this person or this child is at home at the dinner table looking out into his or her backyard, okay? So that is setting. And when we did setting, we actually did blue, didn't we? I'm going to use a lighter blue just so I can still see my words, okay? I highlighted blue and there it is. So that tells me that that's detail that deals with setting, okay? Then we have, it was growing dark. My treehouse was a black shape in the tree and I wouldn't go up there now, but something flickered there. Okay, so let's just do this. It was growing dark. So these two sentences, it was growing dark, still setting. My treehouse was a black shape, still setting, right? So let's go in and go to highlight and go back to that nice blue color, okay? Whoop, that's a little darker blue. I guess it really doesn't matter, but I like it to be the same. So let me just go a little bit lighter. Okay, there we go. And now it says that something flickered there a moment. I looked and it was gone. And then that was kind of an action sentence, right? It flickered again over near the fence. Fireflies. So that's some action that's happening there. The author starts with setting and then moves right to action. So I'm going to go to my highlight and I'm just going to choose red because that was action. All right, there we go. So you can see how we would do this. All right, I'll go one more paragraph. Don't let your dinner get cold, said Mama. I forked. Okay, so don't let your dinner get cold. That's going to be dialogue. Let's go for green for that one. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's undo. Let's go to the highlight and go for green. There we go. Don't let your dinner get cold, said Mama. And then the child's is here. I forked the meat and corn and potatoes into my mouth. So you can picture the child kind of eating, right? Getting that dinner down quick so he or she can go outside. That's action. Oh, I did it again. Sorry, that's action. We're going to highlight that red, okay? And then it says, please, may I go out? The fireflies. Mama smiled and Daddy nodded. Go ahead, they said. Here's some more dialogue, okay? You can see the author really using dialogue to give you a picture of what is going on. And I did the same thing again. You don't want to change the words. I mean, I guess you could change the words. I just like to highlight because it gives me more color and I can kind of see the pattern of what the author did with dialogue, action, setting, thinking, and feeling, okay? All right, so that's exactly how you do it. You highlight, you pull down the highlighter color, okay? You change it when you need to. If something goes wrong, undo is your friend. All righty? Okay, kiddos. Thank you.